Hi friends. Today I'm back with a super amazing, quick, and easy no-bake dessert recipe: chocolate bar sparkles. This recipe is perfect for kids and honestly, adults will love it too. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Like this video, share it with your friends. And press the bell icon so you don't miss any new recipes. Now, let's start the recipe. Stopwatch Step 1, Wafer Base, 020 to 045. First, take 200 grams of hazelnut wafers and crush them finely. Now add 200 grams of Nutella and mix everything until well combined. Transfer this mixture into a mold and press it firmly to make an even base. Set it aside. Stopwatch Step 2, Cream Cheese Layer, 045 to 120. In a bowl, add 200 grams cream cheese, 150 grams Nutella, 50 grams icing sugar. Mix until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Now add 300 milliliters double cream and whisk again until light and fluffy. Spread this mixture evenly over the wafer base and smooth the top nicely. Stopwatch Step 3, Chocolate Ganache, 120 to 145. In another bowl, take 100 grams milk chocolate, 100 milliliters double cream. Microwave until melted and smooth. Pour this chocolate mixture on top of the cream layer and spread it evenly. Stopwatch chilling time, 1:45 to 2 o'clock. Now refrigerate the dessert for 6 hours until it is perfectly set. Stopwatch decoration and serving, 2 to 2:30. After chilling, crush some hazelnuts and sprinkle them on top. Decorate with chocolate balls or any toppings you like. Your delicious, creamy, no-bake dessert is now ready to serve. Smiling face with hard iced chocolate bar. Stopwatch outro.